Okay, hi honey bunches. What's up? Guess where I'm at? I'm still in Sольvычегодсk. Today we are at a very beautiful museum. It has a cool name. It's Мастерская in Russian. If you stood underneath these one of these, you'll die. But it's okay. Currently it's -11. And yeah, I'm freezing. Look there. I'm guessing it's stuff for corpse or grass, some other things. Planting. That's a doghouse or not. Looks like a very interesting small little house, which is covered in snow. Platinsky block. You're welcome if you can't read. Sorry if you're deaf. Anyway, most importantly, that in Russia it's still Christmas time. And in Russia they celebrate Christmas today. Yeah, it's a holiday, or as they call it, праздник. What's that called? Рождество. Рождество. And it's called Рождество. And that's why we have there a Christmas tree and a little bit of the act of the birth of Jesus Christ. Here we have sleighs. That kind of sleigh, original. That's what Santa Claus should be riding. That's the museum of Мастерская. Советую. What's up? Красота. As I like to call it. This lady grants wishes. Apparently, as someone very cool told me, you'll see who's the cool person later. If you hug this doll or dummy and hug it very tightly and made a wish, it will become real. I wish for boobs. I wish for a lot of things. Check that out. As far as I understood, this is the 12 months of the year. For example, here it's in Russian and here's in another one. Same. If you check it out, here's Yanvar, or January, February, March. I think, I might be wrong, but I think that this old language is Staroslaviansky. So, if anyone knows, you can check it out, or we'll ask the cool lady there. В чем твоя соль? To be or not to be, basically. В чем твоя соль? Соль или не соль? Вот это вопрос. 1492. That's the year that the city was invented. The city was created. Don't look there yet. Nuh-uh. Alright, check that out. Souvenirs. We got here a lot of cool stuff. So the question repeats itself. В чем твоя соль? If you're wondering, if you're speaking English and you're wondering, what does the question в чем твоя соль mean? It means, what the f*** is your problem? Respectfully. Заходи. So, honey bunches, did you hear that? We're making something awesome. That looks fantastic. It's an old technology, but it still works. You know when they say about they don't build them like they used to anymore. That's what they mean. I have no idea how did this even happen. Look at these, like they're very connected to there. It's like very awesome. The person who did this spent so much time just creating it, thinking of it. So see, if I was left off on an island and I had to think of a way to make a carpet, I will not make a carpet because I don't need a carpet. But I will not be able to make this machine. Beautiful. So it's really simple. After you put that one there, this one left off, see it? So this line, we have to put it here. And then we have to go this way.
A few moments later.
That's about it, I guess. And then, boom, pa. Then we change the food to put it this way. Go all the way the other. Go out. Pull till it's, see, like that. Then what? Hit 2, 3. Move the feet other way. 1, 2, 3.
Вот мы показали то, что ты сделал, да?
Мгм.
Вот, видишь, Калима? Такая красота у нас, да? Так, сейчас мы будем здесь обстригнем это-то, ладно.
Okay, now that we finished the whole thing, we have to cut it through here. Need stretch.
2,000 years later. One eternity later.
Alright. We have to take that, cut this part, and sort of make a tie with it. So honey bunches, that's a very tricky part because you don't want to make all the machine just break down in our century now. Dun, 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 dun. That's the results. Looks awesome. What am I gonna use it for? I'm not sure yet. We still have to fix it from underneath, but that's okay. That's not our work anymore. So that's about it. Looks very interesting. I did not expect it to look like that. I expected it to look a little bit different, but it looks good anyway. We're gonna fix it on the table. That's our work. What's up? I'm in another room which looks very cool. Here we make some master classes where you can learn to do some cool things. But my favorite thing is a very old Russian thingy. What's it called, do you know?
Люлька.
It's called lulka. Check it out. That's a branch of a tree. It's all the way there to the ceiling. And what is this for? Let's say hypothetically you have 2 son of a kids. And you're an old mom who's busy doing a lot of things, and you don't have really a lot of time. And there's a rope here. So you put your foot here, you put, and you push, and boom, it swings. We got more machines, some sweet little toys and handmade stuff. Everything here is handmade, basically, I would say. More toys and souvenirs, more here, and 2 more machines. Say hi. Exactly. Traditional clothes. Up high, high five. Too slow, okay. Oh, if you look there from the window, you can see Christmas lights still. No, it looks beautiful, actually. There's Jesus or something there. Okay, so my honey bunches. We had a very interesting experience with you all. We had people that we met. We had a very cool lady who helped us do the things. And yep, it was a great journey. loving it. See you next time. Как это называется?
Эта деталь называется набилка. Набилка.
Мгм.
Мы ей набиваем ткань, чтобы плотный половичок получался. Набилка украшена кониками. На концах вырезаны головы коней. И в середине знак солнца. Это оберег для ткачихи.
Мгм.
Кто сидит за станочком. Половик или полотенце, снятое со станка, считается чистым от сглаза, от порчи и от всего плохого. На одном у нас ткацком станочке есть вырезана дата 1850 год. И вот уже в этом году исполняется примерно станочком 170 уже 5 лет. Научила нас заправлять ткацкий станочек ниточками бабушка Зоя Георгиевна Герасимова. И традиция ткачества в Сольвычегодске не прервалась.
Чем разница между вот этот станок и другие станки?
Да. Самый интересный станочек, это у нас вот, который стоит у окна. Там станины сделаны из цельных как бы кусков дерева. Вот если, значит, в лесу нашли дерево, вывороченное с корнем, его подтесали топориком, и прямо получились вот такие замечательные станины. Вот. И верхние части станин тоже сделаны из корня, переходящего в ствол.